How to find story archive settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find story archive settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then go down again. Here you will find profile information, and not profile information, this one stories, and then click story archive. And as you see here, you can manage story archive settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.